Welcome, Murco Warriors! As you can see, we've gotten some work done. Here is the new and improved MurcoRecycling.com. Easier to use, meaning it's easier to nab that perfect deal. Let's start at the top. Use the green headings to navigate the site. If you want to take a look at inventory, What's for Sale is the place to be. You can also navigate the sales section by clicking on the handy-dandy circles you see below. Whether you're searching for a specific item or just want to see the projects in general, it all begins with a click. If you're a buyer and not sure how to proceed, How to Buy is the heading for you. Click here to get the general spiel. If you're hoping to sell your materials through us or considering recycling your goods as opposed to disposal, How to Sell is ready and waiting for you. Curious about former projects or how our creative buyers have utilized materials in the past? Success Stories is a fun means of seeing Murco in action. Murco Recycling is a family business run by a mother and daughter duo. If you'd like to know more about them and how Murco came to be, go to aboutus/press. Or if you'd rather skip the text and talk to us directly, Contact Us is where it's at. One way or the other, the Murco Mavens are at your service. Finally, you'll notice an option to sign up. This is where you can register for the website and take advantage of our time-saving features. Let's check it out, shall we? Pretty simple, right, folks? If you're a returning user, go ahead and log in. If you're a new user, registration will take no time at all. Let's go ahead and do it. To register, just provide a name, email, username, and password of your choice, and the whole world of Murco is at your disposal. Once registered, you can create a wish list, which is the best way to keep track of specific items, from kitchens to bath vanities to maple flooring, you name it. You can also elect to receive newsletters, which are useful recaps of current projects. There may also be a goofy joke or two thrown in there too for good measure. Now that you know how to take advantage of the site, we've come to the What's for Sale section. Let's get shopping. At the top of the page, you'll notice a bunch of categories listed. These allow you to shop by category as opposed to scrolling through dozens of listings. Of course, if you're the type of person who loves to leisurely browse, browse away. As you can see, every listing for sale on this page is at your disposal. But for those of us easily distracted by shiny things or who have very specific materials in mind, click on a category to narrow your choices. For example, I will click on kitchens and appliances. Boom! Here are all kitchen-related listings. Dig the cherry? Let's go there to get all information regarding that kitchen package. Listings present information first by a description. Then, as you scroll down, you'll see the price, availability, and location. Finally, there are features provided. Features cover the special details specific to that listing, like if you were responsible for removal or not, or if we have extra photos on file. Speaking of photos, clicking on the image to the left of the listing makes it bigger. You can then read our always witty and grammatically correct captions and scroll through the photos supplied with ease. So let's say that you love this cherry kitchen, or you have more questions. The Get in Touch button is the way to go. Now let's say you don't dig this kitchen. Cherry isn't your thing. You can check out the recommended listings at the bottom of the page, or you can go right back up to kitchens and appliances. With our fancy new setup, shopping isn't like wandering around a maze. Choose your path and find your stuff with as few clicks as necessary. One last thing. Let's say you're exploring the site and you want to return to the home page. All you have to do is go to the Murco Recycling icon at the top and click away. There you have it. We've returned you to the beginning just as this video comes to an end. So explore away, Murco Warriors. This is your new salvage playground. Have fun!